My philosophy is that because folks can say AI, they like it. How are you today? Lou Mosca, American Management, and I'm thinking a lot. We've been talking a lot as a company about artificial intelligence and AI and how it can impact us internally, how it can impact us with our clients, and what directions we should be going to embrace AI, not in the form of replacing people, because we will never do that, but in the form of enhancing what we do. And I think about all of the consulting clients we deal with throughout the course of the year. And everybody in the universe seems to be somewhat enamored with the whole concept of AI, and I have a philosophy for that. My philosophy is that because folks can say AI, they like it. Not that they have a concept on what to do with it, why to do anything with it. I think in today's world, 2025, August 2025, I think that AI for the big monsters of the world, whether it's Apple or Google or Facebook or Meta or whatever that is, or NVIDIA, how they take advantage of AI to help further what they do is pretty dramatic. But I think when it comes to $2, $3, $4, $5, $10 million businesses, I'm going to bet you that most folks can't wrap their head around what can AI potentially do for them and how to incorporate artificial intelligence into their daily life or daily operation. So my philosophy is simple. Just because you can spell AI doesn't mean it should be a tool for you. There should be better ways, or there could be more efficient ways for you to develop and enhance what you've got in your world today. If you want to argue with me or you want to tell me how wrong I am, hit me up on LinkedIn or give me a call anytime. You all know how to reach me. Other than that, have a wonderful day building your business within your four walls with your amazing employees. Be well.